Hello, guys. Welcome to the chapter Setting Up Your Facebook Page. In this lesson, we're going to talk about creating a Facebook business page. Let's get started. If you have a local or online business, it is important to have a Facebook business page. If you have no website yet, you can create your business page on Facebook. There are tons of active users on Facebook that your brand or business can attract new customers on the platform. To create a new Facebook business page, you must log into your personal profile on Facebook. From there, you can select the Create a Facebook Page menu and take note that you must have a personal account to link to a Facebook page. If you try to create a Facebook page without logging in to your Facebook personal profile, Facebook will show you the page where you need to input your login details or sign up for a new account to continue. Once you're logged in to your personal Facebook account, click on the plus icon in this section. Then click on the page option to create a page for your business. You'll be redirected to this page where you can input the page information for your Facebook page. Type in your business name in this text box. It's good to use your exact business name so that people can easily identify your local business the same as your Facebook page name. Next, choose a category that best describes the type of your business. You can add up to 3 categories here. In this window, you can see the preview of your Facebook business page, and in this section, you'll be able to see the business name that you have typed in this text box. You may notice that the first category that you place here is the category that will be visible under the page name's preview. Next, add a description to your Facebook page. Write about what services your business offers or the purpose of creating this page. All the page information that we have placed in this section will be shown in the preview section. You can also check the mobile preview since most of the Facebook users access the Facebook app using their mobile devices. Now click the Create Page button. As you scroll down, you may see the images and cover photo here. You can add this now or upload them later. Now, we have successfully created our Facebook page. You can add profile photos, cover photos, and other business details right after you create the page. You can see that there's a message here that you can switch to the old classic Facebook.com app for 48 hours so that you can manage your Facebook page. As you can see, Facebook shows and reminds you of the steps that you must accomplish so that your Facebook page details are complete. Facebook will show your Facebook page to more audiences once your Facebook page information is complete. Creating a Facebook business account will allow your business to reach more potential audiences or customers and drive traffic to your website. Also, you can sell your products, share posts that entice your viewers to purchase your products, host giveaways, and even promote upcoming events. Now that you know about creating a Facebook business page, we can now proceed to the next topic, selecting the right kind of Facebook page for your business. I'll see you there.